Fitness trends come and go, but pedaling in place on an exercise bike is a classic, low-impact way to nurture cardiovascular fitness. Whether you prefer to tool along at a moderate pace a few times a week or tackle intense studio-style workouts daily, the bike you choose can help set you up for success. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best exercise bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Immerse yourself in the rhythm of your ride with the Schwinn 800iC, an embodiment of cycling perfection. As you clip into the SPD pedals or secure your feet in the toe cages, a world of possibilities unfolds before you. With 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, each pedal stroke becomes a testament to your determination, pushing you towards new heights of endurance and strength. The vibrant LCD illuminates your progress, tracking every second, every mile conquered, and every calorie burned. It's not just a workout, it's a journey towards self-improvement. And with the optional Bluetooth heart rate monitor, you can monitor your exertion, pushing past limits you never thought possible. But the 800iC isn't just a machine. It's a gateway to boundless exploration. With Bluetooth compatibility, you can transport yourself to virtual landscapes, racing against the wind or chasing distant horizons. Whether you crave the adrenaline of a sprint or the tranquility of a scenic route, the Schwinn 800iC delivers. Adjustable in every aspect, from seat to handlebars, it caters to your every need, ensuring comfort even during the most grueling sessions. Dual water bottle holders keep you hydrated, while integrated cradles await your 3-pound dumbbells for a full-body workout. Priced at $1174, the Schwinn 800iC isn't just an investment in fitness, it's an investment in your well-being. Experience the revolution in fitness with the Echelon EX3, a masterpiece of modern engineering and design that transcends mere exercise equipment to become a portal to a world of boundless energy and vitality. Priced at a modest $430, it not only offers an exceptional workout experience but also opens the door to a realm of unparalleled motivation and inspiration. Immerse yourself in a 30-day trial of the Echelon Premier membership, where the heart-pounding beats of Pitbull and the soulful melodies of Lady Gaga accompany you on a journey to physical excellence. From the comfort of your home, access over 3,000 live and on-demand classes led by elite instructors, spanning the gamut from cycling to yoga, HIIT to kickboxing. The EX3's sleek design and compact footprint belie its formidable capabilities. With 32 levels of silent magnetic resistance and adjustable features tailored to your body, it ensures a customized workout experience every time. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned athlete, the EX3 caters to your needs, delivering unmatched performance and durability. But it's not just about the bike, it's about the community. With one membership accommodating up to 5 users, invite your loved ones to share in the Echelon experience, forging bonds and breaking barriers together. Step into a world where every pedal stroke is infused with motivation and every drop of sweat tells a story of determination. The Peloton Bike isn't just an exercise machine, it's a portal to a community of like-minded individuals striving for their best selves. As you mount the sleek frame, you're greeted by the crisp display, reminiscent of the finest tech experiences. Adjusting the bike to your body feels intuitive, as if it were crafted just for you. But the true magic unfolds when you dive into a Peloton class. With a plethora of immersive options, each session becomes an adventure. Whether you're chasing personal records or conquering virtual hills, the real-time feedback fuels your drive. And when you opt for a live class, the energy transcends through the screen, making you feel like you're right there in the studio, basking in the encouragement of expert instructors. It's more than just a workout. It's a journey of self-discovery and camaraderie. The Peloton Bike isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a gateway to a lifestyle. And for $1445, It's an investment in your physical and mental well-being, a price tag that pales in comparison to the priceless moments of triumph it offers. So take the leap, join the Peloton family, and let every ride be a testament to your strength and resilience. Say hello to the Boflex Velocore, a revolution in the world of exercise bikes. With meticulous design and innovation, Bowflex has crafted a fitness experience that transcends the ordinary. From its modular construction to the whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system, every aspect has been carefully engineered for maximum performance and enjoyment. Picture yourself gliding effortlessly on the Velocore, immersed in your workout routine. The bike's large front wheels ensure smooth mobility, allowing you to position it wherever inspiration strikes. Engage your senses further with the built-in speakers or seamless Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite tunes, enhancing every pedal stroke with rhythm and energy. Yet, what truly sets the Velocore apart is its dynamic design, allowing you to lean into your ride for a core-engaging workout unlike any other. Feel the burn as you navigate virtual landscapes or follow expert-led classes through the vibrant 16-inch or 22-inch HD touchscreen display. Bowflex's commitment to versatility shines through its software offerings. Whether you crave structured workouts or prefer to catch up on your favorite shows, the Velocore accommodates you with ease. And at $14.99 it's an investment in your health and happiness that's worth every penny. Experience the future of fitness with the Boflex Velocore, where innovation meets inspiration and every ride is an adventure. Discover the world of cycling euphoria with the Wahoo Kicker, an exercise bike that doesn't just mimic the outdoor experience, it elevates it. Imagine the rush of wind against your face as you tackle virtual hills, the click of gears changing as you power through each pedal stroke. The Kickr isn't just a machine, it's a portal to your cycling dreams. Designed for the dedicated cyclist unwilling to compromise on authenticity, the Kickr replicates the intensity of outdoor riding with precision. With its automatic magnetic resistance seamlessly syncing to virtual terrains, every climb feels as real as the road beneath your wheels. But such unparalleled realism comes at a price, $39.99 to be exact. Yet, for those seeking peak performance, this investment is more than justified. Paired with optional accessories like real-feel wind fans and expansive screens, the Kickr transcends mere exercise. It becomes an immersive journey. So, if you're ready to chase your cycling ambitions regardless of the weather outside, embrace the Wahoo Kicker. It's not just an exercise bike, it's the ultimate ride towards your cycling aspirations. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.